Hi, I'm Kieran and this is a walkthrough of Community Copilot. We made this tool because building a community that members love is hard work, and we wanted a way to make it easier for community managers to get to know their members and facilitate meaningful connections and interactions between them without adding any extra stress to an already stressful role. So here's how it works. Your dashboard shows your community members split into buckets based on how active they are. This is useful because even when your community feels really active, often it's a minority of the members doing all the work. The less active members may have loads to offer if you can just encourage them to participate. You can also see other analytics like activity over time and rising and falling members. On the Members tab, you can search for any member and filter by bucket or custom tag. These names and images aren't real, by the way. If you click on a member, you can also see more details about them, including their tags. I know DeAndre is our best member, so I like to send him thank you messages fairly often. I can do this straight from the members page, and I can choose to send it by email or Slack DM. This message will show in Slack just like a normal DM from me. I can also click through to his member page. Here I can see his stats broken down by number of posts, replies and reactions. I can see and edit his summary bio, which is where I keep general notes about him. I can also see all past communications sent to him. If I or another community manager has an update about him, we can add it as an update. This is super helpful for remembering what members are currently working on, and I can also edit the update later if needed. I've also just noticed that he's tagged as learning Webflow. I can search for the word Webflow in the member search and find another member who's doing the same, and then I can quickly introduce them. This will send a group Slack DM to the two of them. Back on the members page, I can filter by a specific tag. In this case, I'm filtering to find members who regularly attend at a weekly stand-up call. I can then select them all and send them a bulk message. It will pre-fill their first names automatically, and they will each get an individual DM from me. This is a great way to remind members about upcoming events or other things they need to do. Using some simple Slack Markdown, I can also include links and other formatting. On the tags page, I can manage my tags and categories. I've created the following categories for my community: interaction style, what they're learning, their personality, and what their skills are. Now I'm going to add another category called time zone to help me match members up better. I'm creating a tag for Asia Pacific, and now I can assign this tag to any member. Next, the surveys page. This helps you to gather data from your members in bulk just by asking them. You can create a new survey or choose an existing one. For example, this onboarding survey. You can add questions and decide what answer format you want. And you can also delete questions if you decide you don't want them. And then you can share the survey with your community using the unique link. Their responses will show up as a searchable note on their member page. And finally, this is the post page. Nothing makes a member feel bad like posting and not getting any responses. The post page shows all the posts within the past week with less than 2 replies. You can see who posted and in what channel, and you can quickly go down the list and reply. Once you've replied, it will be hidden, and you can also hide posts if you don't think they need a reply. And you can search for members and tag them with their Slack UID if you want to bring them into the conversation. This will show as a normal member tag in Slack. So that's all for now. I hope you find it useful. We're shipping new features all the time and will be 100% guided by our early users. So please let us know what killer features you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.